The prophet. You believe it's time for the prophet? Why you do not believe? Hey, big up Naya Bing in the house. Article respect. You think it's time for Capleton, Karen?
No, they have to wait like a bit.
Alright. It's time for the band who get a tune like Rainy Night, Fire Go Light. Sha-la-la-la-la, welcome the outlaw. La, la, la. It's been so long, Rastafari call you. Introducing Terry Gensen Outlaw. The Outlaw. Terry Gensen. The Outlaw. The Outlaw Terry Gensen. Yeah. La. 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 I said la 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 la, welcome the Outlaw. Hold on. Hold on, hold on. Greetings, junkie loving people. Name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor King Selassie, who lives and reigns on the roads. Lead out, Trinidad, me love and Selassie, no touchdown. Yeah, yeah, yeah. La, Trinidad, la. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. La. I said la 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 la, welcome the outlaw. La 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 la, welcome the outlaw. La 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 la, welcome the outlaw. Ragamuffin youth with roots and culture. Where I taught them slackness, they may come and look for way of it. Culture lyrics, it's up in a holster. If I guide this the program, we don't say tire. So, give it a go. Where you gonna set up a yo? Give it a go. Where you gonna set up a no some boy? Hang down them head and them a flex like a sow. Them a mow and them a go like them a cow. A boy a informer, no a boy bow. A boy a backbiter, you know a boy bow. La 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 la, welcome the outlaw. La 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 la, welcome the outlaw. Oh yeah yeah yeah, la. Yup 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 yup. La. Yeah yeah. Yeah yeah. How you feeling? Massive out there. Yup yup yup. La. Yeah! Joe! Long live the king. Holy why? Holy why? Holy why? Oh, something I go on tonight. Holy why we are pie. Joe said it's all like, oh, man a raga raga. Yeah man, enough separation, frustration, brutalization, antagonization. I not to disclose the end of the plan, Selassie, I know. The struggle continue, black people. Holy one, holy one, holy. Something I go on tonight, holy one we are fight. Trinidad Massive must stand up and fight. One tonight, holy war we are fight. Chosen is a let us stand up and fight. And a raga raga from down Africa. Raga raga from down Nigeria. Raga raga from down Tanzania. Raga raga like Nelson Mandela. Raga raga like Kenneth Kawanda. Raga raga like Mali and Dewey. But them are the most nuclear and ready for the combat. Reckless amount of soldier and tanker rampant. Millions and billions they squander upon that. Is like the Almighty Father, no for them all figures. Have this up and look and listen. Me hear some boy a chat. Cause the kings of kings, they'll see I them all a mock. All iniquity work and stay they are flat. And judgment day, Babylon a collapse. And a raga raga from down Africa. Raga raga say freedom fighter. Raga raga say buffalo soldier. Raga raga say simmer down. Wanna take the father footstool, he a nuclear base. So I'm grateful for this dwelling place. With the Holy Trinity them now communicate. But the father don't provide them must appreciate them one. But up the earth and out them one for live a space. Every day 10,000, the falling race. They put a 6 LSCI, me have me gonna make it. Cause the door soon close, and me I want me for it. Something I go on tonight, holy warrior fight. Trinidad Massive must stand up and fight. One tonight, holy warrior fight. Chosen is a light, must stand up and fight. And a raga raga from down Africa. Raga raga from down in Nigeria. Raga raga from down in Tanzania. Raga raga, oh yeah yeah yeah. Raga raga, oh na na. Raga raga, oh yeah yeah. Hold up your hand if you are raga raga. Hold up your hand if you are raga raga. Hold up your hand if you are raga raga. Man a raga raga from down Africa. Raga raga from down Nigeria. Raga raga from down Tanzania. Raga raga, oh yeah yeah. Raga raga, oh na na oh bye. Yeah yeah. Yeah 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 yeah. Yeah. Selassie I. Life is to praise Jah. Living God and Savior, the conquering land of tribe of Judah. Alpha and Omega. Yeah, me say. Say once speak, not twice shy. Me have to say Selassie I. But run steam, Selassie I. Man large out, Selassie I know. And that's a matter of time. Yeah. Beat me twice, shy me have to say Selassie I. Put talk to Moses up and Mount Zion I. Once beat me twice. Whoa. He said the old Rastafari. See them a come, them can conquer I and I. The whole of Jaja prophet, them want to justify. From a lip it a touch and pray I. It's a Tuesday is so light. One with the black eye, not okay mind people. Come up I and I out of balance system poses. They didn't stand by. Once we did twice, I may have to say Selassie I. Put up from houses up and Mount Zion I. Once we did twice, I may have to say Selassie I. Put up from houses. Oh! So every day we learn more. I man have this in store. Well up in out your ears and make we level at score. Well 1966 Selassie touch Jamaica. Touch down out of Palestine. Well Rasta come out, start burn them ganja. The place under smoke from telephone chalawa. Babylon get panic, I take it on a cover. Selassie, chop up them bone and them no have no power. Them naive, I tell you about them conquer Rasta. Them naive, but them conquer Marcus Mosiah. Them naive, them boy they a Bucky master. Once it need twice, I me have to say Selassie I. Put out to Moses, oh to the road. It need twice, I me have to say Selassie I. Talk to Moses, Lord. Give us the teaching of His Majesty. Cause we no want no devil philosophy. Say Africa we come from, it's a long story. On a better listen, all who no know them history. Christopher Columbus was an explorer. Pirates from Spain, searching for gold and silver. When 1492, he reached Jamaica. He said people upon the land not about him discover. Him no eat, them boy they a backbiter. In it twice, me have to say Selassie I. Talk to Moses. Oh yeah yeah yeah. Why shall we have it? Oh la la. This why shall we have it? Say Selassie I. Talk to Moses. Trinidad massive. All the furniture. Holy Savior. Never give up. No. This why shall we have it? Say Selassie I. Talk to Moses. Whoa, yeah. Hold up there. You see the one has special dedication to the late great Ghana. Let me see all of the whole of Ghana silk. Yo, let me see the lights in the crowd. Yo, all who love Ghana silk. You see them youth, they will cry for them youth, the Selassie I know. And you see when the work is over, Jah prepares a place for I and I. So you know, there's a mission. And we have to establish King Selassie I works. Yeah man, come through. Fly away. Ha! Fly away. Oh, people. One right man and they go and fly away. Oh. Fly, yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh. Come on. One right man and they go and fly away. Oh. To Africa, not America, not Rome. One right man and they go and fly away. Oh. To Africa, not America, not Remember the fascist regime carry away from home. On them plantation in a the Caribbean zone. So many died on the journey that has not shown. That should be with over the easy moan. One more no want to set Trinidad free. One more no want to stop brainwash we. Tired to work in a them industry. We have to wonder if them ever abolish slavery. Oh, we can survive with them as salary. No. One right man and they go and fly away. Oh. To Africa, not America, not Rome. One right man and they go and fly away. Oh. To Africa, not America, not. We don't need no injection. We touch him at the land, boy. Oh, them a child pole and a child can. We no get none. To touch them, cause some are. Say touch them down, come up a London. We will Trinidad, them try to cross the man. Stay on guard, feed them Ku Klux Klan. The America is far, the Red Indian. One bright man and they go and fly away. Oh. To Africa, not America, not Rome. One bright man and they go and fly away. Oh. To Africa, not America, not Rome. Wait on the Lord, be a good courage. Cause a living get high, above the average. Days to come, there shall be full shortage. Babe, I've been babes, unlimited. What I read in Revelation is going on. No man, no tile style, and not them are the can. Time to leave Babylon, such a pitney command. Please get on board, is all I wanna. One right man, and go and fly away. Ooh. To Africa, not America, not Rome. One right man, and go and fly away. Ooh. To Africa, not America, not. Fly away, fly away, fly away. Oh, 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 oh. Sweet home, hi. Fly away, fly away. Early one morning, I'm telling you now. Fly away to Mama Africa. We are going on now. Oh, oh. One right man and they go and fly away. Oh, yeah. It's the last eye. Yeah, we love poor people and we love the farmer. Then it's the last I know. I'll get to youth. We are hustling and juggle to survive. Cause the system, a flames. Rainy night, fire for light, food. Yo, a poor people business, last in Holland. Yo, Holland. It's right now, Trinidad people. Oh, you see, the music is a message for all my brothers and sisters whom you can't read and write. And I shall uplift them through this musical explosion. And that's King Selassie I. Joe! Hear the king. Hear the king. Yeah, man, come through. Rainy night, yeah. Charlie Stuff Light, all the herb man, large out. All ganja man coming up on coke. Yeah. You know. Trinidad. Rainy night, fire for light. Food of the cook was swallow the goat with tripe. Rainy night, fire for light. Food of the cook was swallow the goat. Me no eat from morning, keep on yarning. When they put on a structure to keep the system warm. You ever come in with banana and can. Sit down and there is no positive. Man know what I want. Keep the fire going, fire blazing. One the boat land, I'm a bit starving. Hear the cues of the people in the ghetto suffering. Politician concentrate more upon the farming. Too much hungry belly pin in the air and I feel it. Rainy night, fire for life. Food of the cook was swallow the got me tribe. Rainy night, fire for life. Food of the cook was swallow. Hungry man is an angry man. So tell the bigger man to utilize up the land. Plant up more food to fit with generation. Why hesitate to deal with production? Concentrate on the people in the country division. Give them better road, they've been waiting too long. To traffic them ever fresh vegetation. Get the independence, we not be depend on no one. Rainy night, food of the cook was swallow. Rainy night, food of the cook was swallow. Hold, Rasta man a chant, Herbie man chants plan. Healing of the nation and I hero one. Oh, Joe. Yo, next, which next up? Kadira. Battlefield warrior from River Nile, some boy, some man I know. Oh. And that's revolutionary movements. You know? I said, go away, yeah, so we're up on them. I'll be them gun them, yeah, they invent. Yes, my people. Others Jah works. You know? You know? Easy over, Curtis. You know, Pops. You know? When yeah, Jaja rougher than them. I'll be them gun them. When yeah, Jaja tougher than them. I'll be them bang. We invent the first fast jar. For the boy from over Colorado. Touch down and kill out task. Right now I just roast and call. Where them come from, but them are wicked man. Talking for my dummy could be a bad man. But you know shut up man in a station. When they come out exalt, seek reputation. When the almighty Jah never delicate a song. When yeah, Jaja rougher than them. I'll be them gun them. When yeah, Jaja tougher than them. No problem. Oh Lord, the young dad and I else hold the peace. Only motivate the people with some positive speech. Because most of the song carry mark of the beast. And I declare war like in the Middle East. People want to shout out and I get in the street. With the bigger yearn on my hips, you know can't it. But for them to power them across the courage. We invent the first pass. By the boy from over Colorado. Touch down and a kill out. Right now I just roast and culture. When yeah, Jaja rougher than them. I'll be them gun them. When yeah, Jaja tougher than them. And I will live. Them boy can't run away. Cause big worries. I will live. Boy can't run away. Hail King Selassie I. All gangster girls and all gangster youth. Soldier from battlefield and all recruit to all side. Which one now? Which way now? Yeah. Mission.
You want mission? Alright. Mission?
Which one you have paper? The Swami?
No, not the Swami, the other one. Not Glory.
Yeah, no.
Alright, we're going to come there. Mission.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Moment has come now, everybody wanna know who is this King of Glory. Hold on. General Massive, I want the King of Glory. Selassie! Jah! Yeah, man. You know. Moment has come now, everybody wanna know who is this King of Emperor Selassie I. Mighty in Baka, Trinidad. Moment has come now, everybody wanna know Emperor Selassie I. Mighty in Baka, oh no. Sammy say lightning like a pig and a rockle like a buckle. Time for we bust out of them pain and shackle. Most speed ahead and we are playing the buckle. Mussolini and him friend would at once come tackle. Kings of kings, I yes them the kings so simple. Sit up on him to not disappear in a winkle. Greatest of them all. Emperor Selassie I rule over all. Oh, moment has come now, everybody wanna know who is this King of Glory. Emperor Selassie I. Mighty in a buckle, oh no, oh. Moment has come now, everybody wanna know who is this King of Glory. Emperor Selassie I. Mighty in a buckle, oh no. In a the rhythm of life, every man fi take a trip. From the fountain of love, every man fi take a dip. In a the result of truth, every man fi take a dip. Man a man, fi know how them a worship lightning fall. Bust up all computer chip. In a one bottomless pit. With Emperor Selassie I your Chris. Oh, me can come to everybody wanna know who is this King of Glory. Emperor Selassie I. Mighty in a buckle, Trinidad Massive. Moment has come now, everybody wanna know who is this King of Glory. Emperor Selassie, I. Mighty in the back of oh, my God and my King. Emperor Selassie, I alone me sing. So what a joy it bring to dwell with my brethren. And I give them some of Marcus Mosiah teaching. The people we tired of them stand by sending. But them easy man not stung them system. Oh, me that's come now everybody wanna know who is the King of glory. Emperor Selassie, I. Mighty in battle, oh, moment has come now, everybody wanna know who is this King of glory. Emperor Selassie, I. Mighty in battle. Fire pan room. Yeah. John of Partial. See me I say. Come in at this. We've been through great tribulation. Tribulation. And no oppression. No one know what tomorrow may bring. Rastaman Chan, I have been here sing. Praise Jehovah. Wisdom. Big up the Rude Boys and the official Century. Roots and Culture Promotion will make this thing possible. I will give thanks for the item coming out. Come hear the message because we are in the last time, a revelation time. So oh, so may I say, yeah man, come in at this. No one knows. Just give thanks and praise because when I leave from here, you cannot even know what to be expect. So may I say, no one knows. No. No one knows. No one know what tomorrow may bring. Rastaman chant, I have been here sing. Praise Jehovah, we are his offspring. Jehovah, no. Jehovah, oh Lord, to find his majesty. Not shall me find the links. No man never make me up a peep, nah no glimpse. So some little boy a try to confess. Just say come my way and see no more. I'm always here for the meek and the poor. Come my way and see no more. Right now I'm gonna open all doors. Sail along Trinidad on a most free shore. Your mighty works Rastafari adore. We all need to praise Jaja more and more. No one know what tomorrow may bring. Trinidad, chant Naya Bingi and sing. Praise Jehovah, we are his offspring. Rise up now and take your stand. We've been too long down in a Babylon. Encounter with a lot of confrontation. Oh, Jaja. Oh, Jaja. Oh, Jaja. Oh, Jaja, wake me up this morning. All I need is overstanding. Right now, and I say Shadrach, and I Misha and Abednego. Jump to the fire and them never get burned. Chosen Israelites, rise and stay firm. No one know what tomorrow may bring. Rastaman, Chana, ya bingy and sing. Praise Jehovah, we are his offspring. Jehovah, oh. Jehovah, oh Lord. And I must say, think a little innocent blood. Think a little innocent blood shed down here. And them still don't care. Cry blood, mama, Africa. Cause your children are suffer through them vampire. No equal rights and justice for my brother. Cry blood, down in Tanzania. Cry blood, down in Ethiopia. Cry blood, down in Somalia. Cry blood, down in South Africa. Cry blood, over in St. Lucia. Cry blood, in a Trinidad area. Cry blood, massive in America. No one knows. No. No one knows. Yeah. The last eye. Princess them. So I say all of the girls them. Hold tight, hear this. No man, you know. Oh, whosoever will make come. Silas, yeah, you know. In the meantime, yeah, you know. Oh, whosoever will make come. Read your Bible before you lie down. In the meantime, whosoever will make come. Read your Bible. Oh, no man can kick off the door. Man come to the with no code. That now I'm go walk. I go send them in down. Woke up on a week. Please man, treat a woman right. Please man, treat the girls right. Please man, treat the lover right. Please man. You need all the girl them a take a life. Come in at the dance and the mama will not drive. Put them on another woman. Want the loving from mama and she would have fly from. Yard go straight to London from Panama. Woman, want the loving from mama and she would have fly from. Yard go straight to London from Panama. I'm Terry can see all that sensation. With a piece of meeting out to all man and woman to fall in love. Some people don't understand this like you devote your life to your lover one. Come to be the second matter. Build relation. Love is not a dolly. So please build it up strong. If you not split like arrow, it cause separation. Some people go crazy over the situation. No man, want the loving from mama, she would have life. That goes straight to London from Panama. Man, want the loving from mama, she would have. And that. Say God bless up for the body where you have this like hardware and lumber. Good girl fit deal with. Say God bless up for the body where you have this lumber. Good girl fit deal with. Woman, one of a kind till the end of time. In my love life, like us you all shine. No time at all look you come up on my mind. I will never betray you for your nickel or a dime. I'm here, baby, to you listen about the wine. Like a fall check to make the girls them feel fine. Snuggle up and pop and I'm over in the line. Yeah, you know, yeah, you know, yeah, you know, yeah, you know. Yeah, you know, yeah, yeah. How you feeling, Joe? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Who is it to tell me there's no God? Hold on. Hold up there. All who know there is a Jah, there's a God. Let me say on them. Yeah, man. I ain't a God-fearing youth. Jah love I, Selassie I, Rastafari. Stay strong in the mind, my sisters and my brothers. Because the struggle continues. There's a matter of time for the mission accomplished. Yeah, man. Come through. Enough innocent blood. Them shed. Hail King Selassie I. Marcus Messiah I. Hail King Emmanuel I. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Rastafari. Who is it to tell me there's no God? Them crazy animal. Who is it to tell me there's no God? Rebuke them, my God. Who is it to tell me there's no God? Them crazy animal. Who is it to tell me there's no God? Rebuke them, man. Must be the son of the devil. Come and fight against the chosen people. Good must conquer evil. Cause I have fingy eyes, I defend truth and rights. Man are Israelites and them a parasite. Pestilence, them only pitch by night. And the poor and in need like vampire them bite. Jah is my shield and my hiding place. No be there to see each face. Who is it to tell me there's no God? Them crazy and them mad. Who is it to tell me there's no God? We put them mad. Who is it? Yeah. Who is it? Step up and tell me now. Who is it? Oh. I see the sun come shining. What a joy to give praises to the King for the good everlasting side in. He brings singing redemption song to His Majesty offspring. Prince and princess, queens and kings. Behold my son, Jah is everything. Jah wake me up this morning, feeling wonderful. Now you been up to sing. Who is it to tell me? Oh, who is it to tell me there's no God? Tribute them, my Lord. Who is it? Oh, who is it? Hey. Jah put the food on my table. Who is Jah? Nothing is that impossible. Must have it with Mount Zion. Enemies necessary. No more. Find no mercenary. Happy stand up and fight and defend black supremacy. To Zion gate with militancy. I'm a Gideon soldier, man, not a disciple. Is it the dragon or the bear or the eagle? I know all about His Majesty. Who is it to tell me there's no God? Rebuke them, my Lord. Who is it? Oh, oh, oh. Who is it? Yeah. Who is it? Tell me right now. Who is it, yeah? Yeah! The last year. How much gone? What's gone? I don't want one come out. One more come out. Come on. This one called the Battle of Adowa. Some guy known at the hour. And each day they keep on fighting for power. Hey, I hello. When Jah come, this one called the Battle of Adowa. Some guy know not the Hey, I love. When Jah come for His rule, nothing can save me now. Gonna be terrible, dreadful among seeden. How you doing up yonder? Rasta man, telling all the youth them should be wise. System is a frat but bongo man. Hold the vice, the captivates of cranium. Make them commit suicide. I can hear his Mr. Speaker. Some decent lies. Politicians said them win. Hippery by landslide. And the laws of the emperor, none of them now abide. Just material things, the whole of them idolize. At the fire, go burn from the judgment and they can't hide. No. Hey, I hello. When Jah come for His rule, nothing can save we now. Gonna be terrible and dreadful amongst heathen. How you doing over yonder? System gets the red, almost a bill for all the bread. We must overcome that a Trinidad pledge. Above the hot water fire you keep on head. Some leader is paper propaganda them spread. No man no X, me vex. that I want me say. Turn load of fire, blazing red, red, red. That I go clean from double, it's why I'm too steady. Hey, I hello. When Jaja come for his rule, nothing can save me now. Gonna be terrible and dreadful amongst the then. How you doing over yonder? Ha, ha. Myself, how you feeling? Yeah? Hope you're feeling fine. Whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, I hello. Hey, I hello. Hey, I hello. Hey, I hello. And Jaja come for his word. Nothing can save you now. Yeah.
Not this all long, yes. Not this all long.
No, man. No. I'm there for now. Oh, Trinidad. It's the style of brand new to the masses. Oh, I see them gun and them Bennett. Hands up. Yeah, man, Jano. Oh, I love the vibes. Yeah, you know. Big up all cameraman, all media, all radio station. Big up the CBN massive. Stay strong. Yeah, you know. Oh, I see them gun and them Bennett. And Trinidad them target. One day we'll make it. No more we can take it, no. I see them gun and them Bennett. And Rastaman them target. But one day we'll make it. No more we can take it. With the chuckle and them chain. So we are ex-convict. See Rastaman organize. And so we don't worry. So just be up your mind from them mental conflict. Every day them have a bag of slip. And them worship. Till I see the Bucky master. Till I hear the with them I got it plan. Rastaman still I resist. All the media is the taper is not a critic. So me hear the rhythm. I try to make a dip then. Me see them gun and them Bennett. And Rastaman them target. But one day we'll make it. No more we can take it now. I see them gun and them Bennett. And Trinidad them target. But one day we'll make it. No more we can take it. We ain't no love, Rastaman. We no boy can't jeep. It just is a police. They still a generate, me just can't take. Oh, politician a operate. Every day them come and tell we, put them death rate. And at them same one organize and tape. At the fire fall down. But church and state, no make them wash out your brain. Clean like them plate. And a pass the liver moon. What a big mistake. And them no live by the faith. Boy, I see them gun and them Bennett. And Rastaman them target. But one day we'll make it. No more we can take it now. I see them gun and them Bennett. And Rastaman them target. One day we'll make it. No more we can take it now. I'll be see a guana just be a wagonist poor. Defend the poor too much can artist. And gun still a issue out in the district me now. Push up no finger, pull up no fist. Make a guy know we have the reggae mylitis. Daylight ambush, all about a nice push. Trinidad, them want ambush. Not a fire, turn on and a bone them like bush boy. I see them gun and them Bennett. And Rastaman them target. One day we'll make it. No more we can take it now. I see them gun and them Bennett. And Rastaman them target. One day we'll make it. No more we can take it. No. I almost 1 hour and 10 minutes left. Yeah, man. Hold on there. You see that one I'm doing on an acapella. The massive them Celestia, I know. Why stand the Safari in time of trouble? Why the wicked persecutor and I? A rebellious time and we can't take it no more. Celestia, I know. Hear me I say. Chilling out in the cold, having no one to hold. Jah, you was always on my mind. Yeah. Coming home now, caught up on myself, I waste too much time. Whoa. Computerizer, so them have them program. Them university, I turn man in a madman. I cast up man brain like cement and sun. Brainwash you, them with them fall village wrong. GP and them Bellevue, only for the poor man. Want to know why there is so much segregation. Love your neighbor as yourself, and enough of them no full stand. Chilling out in the cold, having a one to hold. All those things was on my mind. Yeah. Coming home now, got to settle down and get things in line. Whoa. All I see is war in a Babylon. Bad man, gospel and corruption. Rasta man a defend unification. Repatriation to every man who willing to fight to keep the struggle along. Don't get captured in all them confusion. False propaganda to spread all along. To divide and rule is in their intention. Whoa. Jaja, we love you. Yeah. Trinidad, we love you. Yeah. Why do good man goes by? As a lamb, the prophet was sacrificed for. Gonna still cry. I know he had tried. Can of a fall messengers selling pure and fire. They start the truth and them tell pure lie. Enough of them a bait, traitor and spy. Not once for the poor, them never cry. Chilling out in the cold, having no one to hold. All those things was on my mind. Yeah. Coming up. Yo, so long. Yo, I'm 4 minutes left now. Ready for everything? 4 minutes left. Alright, no. Here we invent the first fast job. Here man, we are getting things organized cause, big up the index band, live from Jamaica. Bungar man, all tight Atterbury. Manager Selassie, I know. Hear me I say, well if the guy them even vex, tell them not perplex. Yeah man, we have bad slave like Paul Bogle and them man there. We shall continue to that people. All gangster girls and all gangster yo. So Japan back up feeling all we care. Do it. Well if the guy them even vex, tell them not perplex. Me have not a mark on me trigger well. Mr. Chatty mouth ready for burn out in this. Some guy them even vex, tell them not perplex. Me have not a mark on me trigger well set. Mr. Chatty mouth ready for we like a scotch bunny paper out like touch on the scotch. Ready, they burn them like a welding torch. When you can't stop, the laugh and me jump in a here class. The last one till the outlaw, I'm back in at the past. The days of Tony Brown and when George Bush a walk. And Saki from Jungle Rock, Kappa who no laugh. When you want to shoot out, go for no gun real fast. To ambush in the night is in for them. The guy them even vex, tell them not perplex. Mr. Got him out ready to burn happiness. The guy them even vex, tell them not perplex. They have none mark. Them all a sabotage outlaw in every aspect. And I brand me amongst all some notorious text. Every time they fed, say me them marks me feed it. Show them side, Rasta Kane I got down at the RX. Every time them pull me over, but them spot check. Well easy sergeant and let me tackle this spec. Aromas and spreading all over the carpet. It burn them, never get a sentence yet. Burn them, all of them, all of them. The guy them make complex, tell them not perplex. Me and them rock, me girls. Me such a team out ready to. Welcome at the clear war too. Couldn't be the outlaw or the Trinidad crew. They are from a team I'm gonna go through. We stand the can myself and Jim Brown too. And pick up all the youth them from the Big up all the youth them from the Trinidad crew. And a ragamuffin outlet area John's a pass through. And anytime I touch them, it's like a curfew. Well, big up all the massive and I say respect. Some guy them make perfect, tell them not perplex. Me and the mark, I'm a goal. Oh, it's a chatty mouth. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Some guy them make perfect, tell them not. Been so long, Rasta. Where's it? Where's it? You want my girl say? I don't know the my girl say. I don't know the answer. Yeah. Terry Gansey again. Terry Gansey again. Terry Gansey. Yeah. Call him Mr. Gansey. Shut this tune and go, man. I can't do top. Once again. Oh no. Yeah. Been so long, Rasta. But I never wanna hear all big man. Oh, been so long. Oh, I never wanna hear all big man. Oh, who stand up on the bank so powerful on mystic and sit up in Geneva conference for the black hope. Hold up. Hold on. So right now, are those roots and culture. So last year I know, you don't know the prophets who arrive and who determine and hear me bowl of Selassie I know. And others, iron and sham, iron, and others more strength and power for the item, Selassie I know. So me I say, so long. I'm not here flower now. All of the them, wave them. So long, Rastafari. But I never wanna hear all big man. Been so long. All you never wanna hear all big man. Who stand up on the bank so powerful and mystic and sit up in jail. I love her.